Okay, so if you've just bought a new house and you've got these old quickset doorknobs on and you want to take them off, there aren't any places to put a screwdriver, and I didn't see any videos on YouTube on how to do this particular one, so I figured I'd just make a video. So the first thing is to pop this cover off. That's should be pretty easy to do. You can use a screwdriver and pop that off. It doesn't want to, but okay. Then the next thing is there is a latch right here. And you push that in, and the whole thing just slides out, just like that.